benefits of detoxing your body and skin with lemon water. What beverage is incredibly simple to make, helps digestion, can help you lose weight, and is bursting with vitamin C? It also keeps skin shining. The elixir advertised in late-night infomercials is not it. You should think about incorporating lemon water into your everyday routine because of the numerous advantages that it offers. Although those in the know have been sipping the citrus-flavored water for years, some lemon water benefits have only recently started to circulate on the health and fitness circuit, including for those following the vegan, paleo, or keto diet plans. But is lemon water really the panacea that people claim it to be, or is it just another fad in the world of health? Let's begin. Why drink lemon water? Lemon water is a beverage that is created by mixing water and lemon juice. To customize your lemon water to your liking, you may also add extra items like ginger, cucumber, strawberry, or mint. Lemon water has grown in popularity recently among consumers who are looking for an easy method to enjoy the health advantages of lemons. As it can enhance the flavor of normal water while offering fewer calories than sugar-sweetened beverages like soda or commercial fruit juice, it has also grown in popularity among dieters. What are the advantages of drinking lemon water, and should you add it to your diet? Drinking lemon water has been shown to have numerous advantages, including improving energy levels, immune system function, and weight loss. What you need to know about the advantages of lemon water is provided here. Benefits. 1. Encourages digestive and detoxification process. Lemon juice tricks the liver into generating bile, which keeps food moving through your body and gastrointestinal tract smoothly, because its atomic structure is identical to the digestive liquids present in the stomach. Citric acid, which is included in lemon water, has also been demonstrated in animal tests to protect liver function and shield it from oxidative harm, maintaining the liver's capacity to detoxify naturally. In addition to helping you stay hydrated and encourage regularity, drinking lemon water can reduce bloating, ease constipation, and help your body naturally detoxify. Lemon water also has a minor diuretic effect, so after you start drinking it, you could find yourself going to the restroom more frequently. This, however, may be advantageous and aid in the urinary tract's efficient removal of any undesirable substances. 2. Maintains glowing skin. Cold lemon water has a wealth of health advantages for skin thanks to the antioxidants in vitamin C, which also serve a dual purpose in lemon water. In addition to keeping your skin appearing young and assisting in the slowing of the aging process, they combat free radical damage. Drinking enough lemon water to get adequate vitamin C also helps the body continue to produce collagen, which is necessary for reducing facial wrinkles. Regular vitamin C intake was linked to younger-looking skin and fewer wrinkles, according to a recent study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. 3. Increases weight loss. Drinking plenty of water is essential to any diet intended to help you lose weight. According to studies, drinking water with a meal might decrease sensations of hunger while improving satiety, which can help you lower your consumption by reducing cravings. In fact, one study discovered that consuming 17 ounces of water before breakfast significantly reduced the amount of calories consumed by a stunning 13%. In order to keep you hydrated, switching to a glass of lemon water from soda, fruit juice, or energy drinks will help you consume significantly fewer calories and lose weight more quickly. Additionally, it gives plain water a kick of taste that makes it much more palatable and easier to achieve your hydration demands. 4. Improves mood and energy. The main benefit of lemon water in the morning is that it can successfully improve energy levels without the caffeine crash, so feel free to forego that morning cup of coffee. Here's how it functions. The atoms and molecules in food provide our bodies with energy. Energy levels naturally rise when digestive tracts are exposed to negatively charged ions, such as those in lemons. Besides that, it has been discovered that even the smell of a lemon can assist elevate mood and lower stress levels. Don't forget to raise a glass to cranky family members or co-workers. 4. Strengthens immunity. An vital nutrient, vitamin C is crucial for many areas of health, but it's crucial for immunity in particular. A Swiss study suggests that eating enough vitamin C helps lessen the intensity and duration of respiratory illnesses like the common cold. Malaria, diarrhea, and pneumonia are just a few of the ailments that it might help treat better. Lemons are a fantastic source of vitamin C, and drinking lemon water every day is one of the greatest ways to enjoy all of its immune-boosting advantages. But to prevent infections before symptoms even appear, include it in your regular diet when you're feeling well rather than starting to drink it as soon as you start to feel under the weather. 6. Assists in preventing kidney stones. Frequent kidney stone symptoms include back and stomach discomfort, nausea, vomiting, and blood in the urine. Kidney stones are a common ailment brought on by the development of tiny, hard deposits in the kidneys. Fortunately, lemons contain a lot of citric acid, which can raise urine volume and prevent kidney stones. In one trial at Duke University Medical Center, participants received lemonade therapy for 4 years, and the incidence of kidney stones decreased from over 1 per year to just 0.13 per year. Enough water consumption can also help to encourage optimum hydration, which can quickly relieve kidney stone pain. Nutrition. Lemons are highly nutritious and are regarded as an excellent source of vitamin C. In fact, 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice contains 187% of the daily required intake of vitamin C. Move over, oranges. A healthy serving of potassium, magnesium, and copper is also provided by lemon juice. Lemon juice contains vitamins and minerals, but it also has small amounts of pantothenic acid, vitamin E, calcium, and zinc. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.